Hey guys, Brian Bear Bull Traders here. It is Monday, July 16th. Uh, just gonna go over a trade I did in the room. Andrew did his recap this morning. I did a few of his trades. I did not take BP. I don't like the big cap stocks unless they're really moving on some significant news. I find they're just choppy. But did a few of his other trades that he went over. But I wanted to go over SQ because this was a trade I did in the room a little later. I left, had some breakfast, came back, saw what was shaking, and I looked at SQ. And this is SQ 5 minute. And you can kind of see here it's in a downtrend. Here's a lower high, here's a lower low from here. So took the entry around here. So, and I had a trader ask me, okay, so why did you take that trade? It just looked kind of choppy, which it did when you look at the 5 minute, but let's look at the 1 minute. And I look at both charts. I had the 5 minute and the 1 minute up. And so you can kind of see here, and now it becomes obvious why I took the trade. So you can see here, it's in that pattern that we saw in the 5 minute, but you can see here on the 1 minute, it came back up. It was a pretty strong rebound, and then it pulled back, and it didn't pull back to this low. So it kind of made a double bottom. I mean, a double bottom is, typically you get it down here, but it was looking like it was making a double bottom, and I was watching it at 11:10 here. And sure enough, I took the entry when it punched through these moving averages around 67.30. Posted my stop was going to be 67.20, which was this level right here. And I was hoping it would make it back to VWAP because at this point it was fairly far from VWAP, especially here. It was still pretty good distance from VWAP. So I had a pretty good feeling it was at least going to come back to VWAP. So my target was 67.75 and got hit on the first part of the fill. Held on for a little more. I was really hoping it was going to get to the high of the day, which was a breakthrough 68. So I held back a little bit in hopes to get a breakthrough 68, but then I had my stop moved up to the VWAP, and I ended up getting stopped out before it managed to get there. So anyway, that was my trade on SQ. Later in the morning, it was around 11 o'clock, and I think a few people took the trade in the room. I hope some people did and made money on it. But that was my justification. The 5 minute didn't look that special, but I really liked the look of the 1 minute. So double bottom, and here we go. It's my reversal play for the day. See everyone in the room tomorrow. Have a great rest of the day, and I hope you're enjoying the weather. We've got some awesome weather on the west coast here, and be getting out in the afternoon. Talk to you later, and see you in the morning. Ciao for now.